Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution or photo size on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow key, go to its settings, then go to the photo ratio, and basically on this device you have only like two resolutions. You have like 64 megapixels with 4:3 aspect ratio and other like less, not that high resolutions, like photos in lower resolution, but you can set it to the highest resolution by selecting these 64 megapixels. So yeah, basically that's all the options for photo resolution here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.